Hey y'all, RaveWithShai here, and today's quick video I'm going to be showing you how to join a family on the bigolive app. It is actually a lot more simple now than it used to be. So this is how to join a family step by step. I'm going to go ahead and right here pop up my screen. So this is my phone, and you log in. You're going to go all the way to the left to this. Click there, and this is going to be what the screen looks like. You're going to scroll through this banner. It shows you that there's like a toolkit, events, all of these different things. And you're gonna hit family events, and you've got this whole toolkit. And then you're going to hit family prestige. On here you can see all of the different families. So we'll click on the very first one. When you click on it, you see that you can put contact family leader. I suggest you do that and introduce yourself to the family leader. Tell them who you are and why you want to join their family. Then here, click apply. It's that simple. I would go and find some people in the family by hitting this leaderboard. You go sit in their streams, introduce yourself, say hi. And that's one of the easiest, best ways to join a family. Good luck, guys. I'll see you on Bigo. My Bigo ID is RaveWithShai. Let me know in the comments down below what else would you like to know as far as things that need to be done on Bigo. My next video will be on how to unban an account and how to... We'll figure that out later. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.